Butterflies are a group of insects that belong to the order Lepidoptera. They are known for their brightly colored wings and their characteristic fluttering flight. The body of a butterfly is divided into three segments: the head, thorax, and abdomen. The head contains the eyes, antennae, and mouthparts. The thorax contains the wings and legs, and the abdomen contains the digestive and reproductive organs. Butterflies have four wings, which are covered in tiny scales. These scales give the wings their color and pattern, and they also help to protect the wings from damage. The wings are held together by a system of muscles and tendons, which allows the butterfly to move them in a coordinated way. The wings are also covered in tiny hooks called hamuli, which help to lock the wings together during flight. Butterflies go through a process called metamorphosis during their life cycle. The life cycle of a butterfly begins as an egg, which is laid by the adult female on a specific type of plant. Once the egg hatches, the larva, caterpillar, emerges and begins to eat the leaves of the host plant. As the caterpillar grows, it goes through several stages of molting, shedding its skin as it grows larger. After several weeks, the caterpillar forms a cocoon or chrysalis, and inside the pupa undergoes a process of metamorphosis, where it transforms into an adult butterfly. The adult butterfly emerges from the cocoon, ready to fly and reproduce. Butterflies are found all over the world, from the Arctic to the Antarctic, but they are most diverse in tropical regions. They are an important food source for many animals, including birds, mammals, and other insects. Some species of butterflies also have important ecological roles as pollinators, helping to fertilize plants as they feed on nectar. There are about 18,000 known species of butterflies, with many more that are yet to be discovered. They come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, from the small, delicate blues and hairstreaks to the large, showy swallowtails and birdwings. Butterflies are considered as indicator of the environment quality and health, especially the decline of butterfly population is considered as an indication of environmental degradation. The current climatic changes and habitat destruction are threatening many of the butterfly species, and it is important to conserve them for the future generation.